Ever wondered why kale is considered a superfood? It's a nutrient powerhouse, brimming with vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium and potassium. Packed with antioxidants such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, kale safeguards cells from damage. Its fiber content supports heart health, while calcium and vitamin K contribute to strong bones. With omega-3 fatty acids reducing inflammation, and its role in digestive aid, skin health, weight management, vision support, and detoxification, kale truly is a superfood. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of this nutrient-dense leafy green. Firstly, kale is a true nutrient powerhouse. It's brimming with vitamins A, C, and K, and rich in essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients play a pivotal role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. But that's not all. Kale has more to offer. Did you know kale is a rich source of antioxidants and a heart health promoter? This vibrant leafy green is loaded with powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, shielding our cells from harmful damage. But that's not all. Kale also champions heart health. Its high fiber content helps lower cholesterol, while the generous amounts of potassium and vitamin C work harmoniously to reduce blood pressure. So the next time you're whipping up a salad or smoothie, remember to add some kale. Impressive, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Kale is not just about heart health, it's also about bone health and fighting inflammation. Packed with calcium and vitamin K, this superfood contributes to strong bones and may even reduce the risk of osteoporosis. But that's not all. Kale also fights the good fight against inflammation. Thanks to its omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, this leafy green helps keep inflammation in check, promoting overall body wellness. These nutrients work in tandem to keep your bones strong and your body balanced. And the list of benefits continues. From aiding digestion to promoting skin health and managing weight, kale does it all. The fiber in this superfood ensures smooth digestion and can keep constipation at bay. Its rich antioxidants form a protective shield for your skin, encouraging a healthy and glowing complexion. But that's not all. Kale's high nutrient and fiber content make it a low-calorie food, perfect for those seeking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Yet kale still has more to offer. Lastly, kale supports vision and assists in detoxification. This leafy green is a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants that are known to bolster eye health and potentially ward off age-related macular degeneration. But the power of kale doesn't stop there. It's also loaded with compounds that lend a hand in the body's natural detoxification processes, specifically aiding in liver health. The magic of kale is truly far-reaching. With all these incredible benefits, it's no wonder kale is hailed as a superfood. Incorporating it into your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes, provides a myriad of health benefits for overall well-being. So, are you ready to power up with kale?